Hi, so in this video I'm gonna show you how in Cubase combined with Soundflow are able to search markers by name. I'm also easier have access to my different marker tracks, plus a few other things. I'm using a Streamdeck here, but you can also just use key commands. But the Streamdeck gives a nice visual overview, and like whenever I need these marker functions, I'll just click on this marker menu. So let's start out. In this session, I have two parts basically, from here to here and there. So this is a feature, and this is all the cues that's written there. So let's say that I'm working in my feature here. I'm working on this cue that's called I Can Only Save You. I want to find where else I have that cue. So I could press search and I'll then text I can only, and then Soundflow will do its magic, and I can see I also have one here with that title. Instead of going there manually, I can also go there by this one. It will go to the next one with the last searched result. So you could see it jump to that one. Let's say I want to find the next one that's called genocide. I can use this one that combines search and go. I'll type in the text, and you can see it finds the next one called genocide. I can see if there's one more out there. There's one more called that. So I have multiple of these cues. And when I'm reached the end, I get a notification that there was no more found after my cursor. And of course, I can also go back, doing it twice, or I get all the way back to the first one I was clicking on. So it's super handy. It's a little bit advanced scripting, and it utilizes the Project Logical editor. I also have in here a fast way to select my different marker tracks. I have some linear and some musical, and I have different spotting nodes. Also, if I have some that I have not put down here, I have a small activate, and then I also have like add single marker where I get to write the name. Hey, so it's there, or cycle marker. I can also just go between markers, so you can see now I'm on the one called reels. If I went to my spotting nodes up here, then it would go between those. Shortly, let me show you. This is a package that also exists in the package store, and if you want to use these commands, you just need to go down to the install package. Basically, if you're trying to call any of these commands without having installed the package scripts, then it will give you a pop-up that will ask you to install it. And what it does is that it will add a few key command macros to your Cubase key commands, and it will add the missing Project Logical editor scripts that I'm using in order to search here.